Welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Captain. In this video, I am going to tell you how you can run one WhatsApp account on two devices at the same time. So let's start the video. First, you have to open WhatsApp on the device where WhatsApp is not logged in. Then tap on agree and continue. Then tap on use a different number, and here is the important point. Tap on three dots on the right upper corner and then click on link a companion device. Then WhatsApp gives a QR code and 3 to 4 steps that how you can connect the WhatsApp account. Now move toward the second device here. Open WhatsApp in the second device. Go to settings and here tap on link devices. Now tap on link device. Provide a Face ID or passcode. After that, tap on OK and scan the QR code. After scanning the QR code, you can see the chats are loading on the first device as well. And here the device WhatsApp is also logged into the second device. So by this way you can also log in one WhatsApp account to two devices at the same time. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Captain, and I will see you in the next one.